Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at a physical comparison between the Galaxy S10 Plus and the Galaxy S10e, and you can see what it's like. So let's just take a look at the top. I'm going to place the Galaxy S10e. This is the S10e and this is the S10 Plus. And you can see both devices look very similar in terms of design. However, the S10 Plus is a lot larger. So I'm going to place the S10e on top of the S10 Plus, and you can see how much bigger the S10e. It is taller and wider in terms of screen space. And the buttons on the side here looks very similar. So you got the buttons on the side, you got the volume buttons, the Bixby buttons. At the bottom you have the headphone jack, USB-C, you got the microphone and the loudspeaker. And on the right hand side, now you have the power button. On the S10 Plus, the power button is very small and stylish, whereas on the S10e, the power button is flat and a lot larger than the S10 Plus. Now if we go to the top, they both have two microphones at the top with a SIM tray at the top right here. Okay, as for the SIM tray, if I eject the Galaxy S10 SIM tray, this is what it looks like. So here, the SIM tray, they both look identical, very similar. Both trade, it both have an SD card, support an SD card, external SD card, and a SIM card, micro SIM card. Alright, finally, if we move to the back, and we can see at the back here on the S10e, there are only two cameras and one flashlight and a sensor. On the right hand side, we have three cameras, flashlight, and more sensors at the back on the right hand side here. So the camera compartment is larger on the S10 Plus, and there is a Samsung logo just beneath the camera compartment right here. Now this is a white color Galaxy S10e, and this is the S10 Plus. Now this is just a physical comparison. In terms of the internal hardware, the Galaxy S10 Plus have a higher spec hardware than the Galaxy SE, and that's it. So one more thing is with the camera at the top here, you got the two cameras at the front on the S10 Plus, whereas on the S10e you only have one camera. And this is the screen space. When you're looking at it, the S10 Plus definitely look larger and more sharper. So it looks more sharper on the Galaxy S10 Plus. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.